Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. Last time, oh god, no, fuck. Last time we finished off the, whatever you want to call this part of... I just had a thought, and I don't know if it's gonna be right or wrong, but I keep forgetting I have these stupid charge boots. Well, not stupid, but you know what I mean. Good, I got a continue point. Okay. Alright, right around here. I'm gonna turn y'all into sheep. That's such a weird noise it makes. Such a weird warbly noise. But the thought I had was, what are these platform-looking things? I feel like those have got to be something. And I really want to know what. That's gotta be something, right? It's gotta be. It's really gotta be. But it doesn't seem like there's any way through. So I'm very confused. Maybe it's just the design and it's meant to look that way, and it's not a secret or something, but I have no clue. God, I love these boots. By the way, I know that there's still that armor back on planet Dabo to buy. I've been so caught up in trying to like save up on weapons that I think when I reach 25k, I'm gonna buy the armor. Cause no other weapon in the vendor right now is exactly affordable, and the titanium armor is the closest thing I can possibly get. Now let's see how well. So I have 3 weapons I can upgrade, okay? And I don't see any more uses for a spider glove, so... Oh god. That kind of startled me. I don't see any more uses for a spider glove around here, so... I'm just gonna go ahead and blow these guys up. Plus, these guys do take a lot of health, which means... the ones I don't destroy, or the ones... Basically, these guys, if I blow them up with a spider glove, I guess I don't get a lot of experience? Even still. Yeah, I'm not getting a lot of experience from that. It might be because I've already killed these particular enemies before. Go ahead and... Oh. Look at him though, he's so cute! Boom. Not worth it. Not worth the effort. Why is everything so foggy? I don't know what's going on there. Y'all can suck it. Oh, infiltrator. Let's see what we got. Alright, not bad. I guess this around here isn't really anything. I always thought it was. What's around here?
Angela Cross, calling Ratchet on secure band 7 Echo Foxtrot.
Ratchet here. Angela? Is that your name?
Ratchet was calling you something quite different.
Oh, was he now? Anyway, I'm just calling to warn you that Thugs for Less have taken over my flying lab.
But were the thugs not working for you?
Not anymore. Apparently, someone's made them a better offer. I tell you, between the thugs and the Protopet, this whole galaxy's heading for—
Wait, say again? Protopet?
Oh, yeah, it's what they're calling the experiment now. Here, watch this.
Why is Billy sad? Is he cold, hungry, or maybe just...
Oh no! No, take it away!
lonely? Introducing the Megacore Protopet. Your child will shriek with joy when he meets our adorable friend. Wanna play ball? So does the Protopet. Need a partner for tag? Go find the Protopet. Up for some cops and robbers?
Help! Police!
So is you-know-who. Just ask Billy. The Megacore Protopet. Stop by Planet Bolden and get yours free from Abercrombie Fizzwidget himself.
You mean that thing is going to be a pet?
Megacorp intends to market a killer. That is simply unconscionable.
Which is exactly what I've been trying to tell you. There will be disastrous consequences for the entire galaxy if that monster is distributed.
We must get through to Mr. Fizzwidget.
If you still think he'll listen, you should try to catch him on the planet Bolden. I'll upload the coordinates.
This could be our last chance.
Yeah. I'm honestly glad that the Protopet didn't eat poor Billy, but he certainly doesn't look happy playing with it. Of course he doesn't. It's a fucking beast. It's horrible. It's... Oh, dear God. Like... Oh, God. So, Angela Cross is her name.
Listen up, Thugs for Less. We got a big job ahead, so pay attention. Megacorp has hired us to protect their CEO, Mr. Fizzwidget. They feel that he's getting a little, cuckoo in his old age and are concerned for his safety. Now, Fizzwidget's kind of old-fashioned, so I want everything handled with the pride and courtesy people have come to expect from us. Also, be on the lookout for these two characters. I have a personal interest in seeing them rubbed out, so I'm offering a free pizza party to the squad who bags them. And remember, that includes drinks and desserts. Over and out.
You know, I gotta be honest, that's a pretty fair deal for trying to kill us. I mean, I'm not saying I'd kill anyone for a free pizza party, but that's definitely a fair deal for your group. After all, we have been kind of a nuisance, so... I really shouldn't be saying this, but for the one who kills me, you deserve that pizza party. Free drinks and desserts. Doesn't even come out of your own pocket. Now... Hey, there's a cab up there. Now, worth noting... this place, this planet, this city, this is where the Insomniac Museum is actually shown. But I'm gonna be showing that off near the end of this playthrough. I see a platinum bolt up there. Oh, I want that. I want that. Oh wait, hold on. Let's see what weapon the game is trying to shove down our throats now. Because we already have the fucking... we have the Synthenoid, we have... Oh, nothing else. We have the hover bomb gun, we have the plasma coil, we have the bouncer, we have the Synthenoid. Let's see, 120... That's 270... 370... 435,000, I guess. So 435,000 bolts it's what's needed for... I can afford the armor. Hell yeah. Wait. Now that I think about it, there actually is another, armor vendor on Bolden. But I think it's gonna cost more than 25,000 bolts. See, this is why trying to buy things can be kinda tricky. Alright. Hyper Expressway Plaza something. Oh boy. Alright, I see what's going on here. Right around here, near where you have to grind, I can't remember exactly where, but there is a spot somewhere during the grinding section where you can jump onto a particular platform that will take you, I think it might be this. I think it might be this part right here. I could be wrong about that, but there is a particular part that takes you to where the Insomniac Museum is. However, the Insomniac Museum is usually only open for between 3 and 4 a.m. But you can actually glitch your way. I think you can actually glitch your way into the museum. Yeah, you can actually glitch your way into the museum if you don't want to wait for that for around that time. Is there anything around here? I don't know if there is. Oh, wait. Oh, fuck, I totally just... Damn it. I completely forgot about the, thing. Oh, God. Oh. Well, I mapped it out, at least. This is where we want to go. Fairly certain there's like a platinum bolt around here somewhere, though. Can't remember where. Oh well. Is there anything in here? I may have to use the, Doesn't seem like there's anything around here. Score! Really feels like there should have been something there, but oh well. Boink. Okay, sweet. Shortcut. Yeah, you don't mess with me. Sure, I can just, I guess not. What's this way? I need stronger enemies. Hey, do I get a skill point if I just so happen to stand on this fountain? Oh! Oh, this is the teleporter to the Insomniac Museum that's usually open between 3 and 4. But you can actually glitch your way into the building manually, and I'll show you, like I said, I'll show you guys that later on near the end of near the very end of the playthrough. Kind of like as a you know, kind of farewell to the second game's playthrough, and also that I will gladly take this nanotech boost, and also that you know, it just shows everything that was not included in the game. But you know, it's nice that they make a museum to show that. So that's how many bolts now? 8. Only 2 more gadgets, and I have no idea what they are. See, now that I have 3 different weapons, it's really hard to decide what I want to use them on. Or which one I want to use on what. I suppose it's always nice that I can just do this. And then I can just go right down here and, you know, refill my ammo and everything. You know, I could actually farm my spider glove this way. Just stand right here and literally just blow everyone up. It'd be painfully slow, but it'd be effective. I don't know how much experience that gave, though. Are you two playing rock, paper, scissors in there? Are you two dead? Yeah, you're pretty dead. Okay, this I've got to see. You guys are such dorks. I think I'm getting pretty far on the spider bot glove, so I think I'm going to be taking out all my enemies using that. Plus, I really want to show you guys what the spider bot glove looks like when when it's upgraded. It's probably just going to be like the spider bot glove episode or something. It feels really smooth to control this thing. Like it actually feels like I'm remotely controlling this just to blow up some enemies. This is just too entertaining. Imagine how cool it would be if this thing was... I have no idea how I fucking did that. Imagine how cool it would be if this thing was, could be controlled with, what's it called? Motion control? Like, I know that in Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction, there were quite a few mechanics where you could use a 6-axis controller for motion control. But if you don't have one, they have the option to turn that off, thank God. I'm glad they did, because otherwise that would have made the game kind of annoying in some parts. Fun fact, for those who never bothered to watch my Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction playthrough, mine had a glitched copy, and I don't know if I already told this story before, so if I did, I apologize. But, back in 2018 or 2019, I bought a physical copy of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. And it was actually like a very badly glitched copy. Because during some points of the playthrough, the game would very badly freeze up, and it would just absolutely refuse to load properly or do anything. If I eventually got it to load, it would appear that my save file was corrupted and deleted. But for what it did was it would start me back at the beginning of the game. But for some asinine reason, I kept the weapons and gadgets and everything that I had before the save file got corrupted. So let's say I got like the Pyrocitor or whatever in like the 3rd or 4th planet. If the game got corrupted during one of those times, and it would start me over back at the very start of the game, like the first level, and I would have all of my weapons, and they would have the levels that came with them still where they were when they went before the game got corrupted. So if the Pyrocitor was like 3/4 of the way done to being upgraded, it would stay that way and continue upgrading at the very start of the game. And what made this funny is it had that typical mechanic of, if you destroy enemies you haven't beaten before, you get a lot of experience. If you defeat enemies you've beaten before, you get like half the experience. This most definitely applied to future Tools of Destruction. So I would like easily be able to upgrade all of my weapons if my game file got corrupted, because I had all the weapons that was supposed to be upgraded or bought at future planets. But hilariously, it would treat all the enemies in the levels all over again like they were new. So at a very constant, consistent pace, I had a lot of new experience to use my weapons on, or a lot of experience for my weapons to gain. And you might be wondering, well, you sound like you never completed the game. I didn't. And the reason why is because the game was so badly glitched that I forget the name of the place, but there is a level, like a starship level, where you had to fly around an asteroid field, a planet, a black hole, and then you went into the black hole to fight this giant pirate ship boss. And as soon as you defeated the boss, and it would do the loading screen to load the new level, and it would never load the new level. The game soft-locked, I guess you could call it, on the loading screen. No matter what I did, no matter what I tried, it just would not fucking load. So all I could really do at that point was get all of the golden bolts and all the upgrades and weapons and crap up to the point where the game would just not load anymore. Well, it wouldn't load load a new level anymore. And I was so upset because I spent hours on that game and it all amounted to absolutely nothing at the end. No completion, no victory, no defeating the final boss, no nothing. But I did find that on the PS3 store, Tools of Destruction is only $10. But I'm probably, this game does, Tools of Destruction comes after the events, a year after the events of Up Your Arsenal, I think. But I'm gonna be waiting, some time before, doing that, because there are some other games I want to play. But it was just, frankly, hilarious, because I had such a badly glitched copy that I could literally, endlessly power up my weapons. And Yes, I did record a playthrough of this. Like, I did everything in the game I possibly could. And I feel kind of bad looking back at it now, because what recording time am I at? Oh, we're at 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna wrap this up real quick. I felt bad because, like, I did everything I could in the game, and I just couldn't finish it. And me being a huge Ratchet and Clank fan, I was, like, so disappointed. But in the future, I want to try and buy that game again, and just, you know, do everything I can. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and end this episode here. So thank you all for watching this episode of Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. Next time, we're gonna continue in Silver City, I'm sorry. And we're gonna look for Mr. Fidge Widget, and also try to get some of these weapons upgraded. If you liked this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.